Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is a mystical fire. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. I'm also going to show you how this works in just a second. But first of all, this comes in a little package. Don't let this little package fool you because this thing burns for like up to an hour in our experience. And what it does is it makes the fire burn in different colors. And it's actually pretty magical looking. We're going to only throw one in the fire to show you, but you can throw up to three to make that fire really boom. Now guys, these aren't labeled what color they are, so you're gonna get kind of a mystery when you throw it into the fire, and it could be blue, it could be red, it could be green, but these makes your fire look so cool. It makes it like unlike anything else you've ever used before. All right guys, as you can see, this one has light greenish flames coming through. It is awesome. The kids love this especially, but it's fun for everyone in the whole family. And this will last for over an hour, guys. It just provides a lot of fun. It makes things interesting, kind of magical. It kind of brings like, magical, like fairy tale type of feeling to the campfire. As you guys can see, guys, this thing's been going for about 20-30 minutes. And something that's really interesting that happens with these is as the fire goes on, you'll see less and less of the orange flames and more of that magical looking cool flame that you get from these packets. In the end, guys, my favorite thing about this product is that it just lasts a long time and it just lights up the night with different colors, and it's just so cool what these things do. Hardly anybody's experienced these, so when you put these in the fire at a campfire with your group of friends or your family, they're going to be all surprised, and it's just very fun to do that for the first time. And especially for the kids, it makes them feel, like I said earlier, like they're in some kind of like Disney story or some fairy tale or whatnot. And I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.